Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the strap and keeper are intact. Damaged webbing or bent hooks ruin load security. Next, attach the anchor hook to a strong point and route the webbing so it lies flat with no twists. Once done, pass the free end through the keeper's slot from the underside, pulling until you have about 12 to 18 inches of tail for tensioning. This initial threading ensures the keeper catches properly and prevents slippage when you begin ratcheting. You now focus on removing slack before full ratcheting. If wrapping improves grip, loop the tail around the load once while keeping the webbing flat. Feed the tail into the ratchet drum slot and pull by hand until resistance is felt. This reduces teeth skipping. Then use short, firm ratchet strokes. Pump the handle smoothly, not jerky, to incrementally increase tension. Make sure the strap aligns with the keeper and drum so the teeth engage properly. This is why even small pre-tension matters. You finish by fully closing the ratchet until the handle locks. Then tuck the excess tail into the keeper or secure it with a band so it cannot work loose. Once locked, test the load by shaking or driving a short distance slowly and recheck the strap angle. You want roughly 15 to 30 degrees of pull for stability. If you notice slipping, noisy ratchet teeth, or frayed webbing, stop and rethread or replace the strap immediately. Replacing a faulty strap is safer than.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.